Nourishing Detox Treatment. Our hair shampoo and conditioner AVC hair rinse opens clogged hair follicles and breaks down itchy buildup. Hydrating shampoo and conditioner with a nourishing oil blend is key to restore elasticity and healthy shine to your hair. Fight Flakes and Defeat Dandruff, a shampoo and conditioner that fights back flakes, giving a dandruff treatment that balances your scalp's pH levels for healthier hair. Revive and refresh your hair with our dry scalp shampoo and conditioner for dry damaged hair. Color safe for all hair types. A curly hair shampoo and conditioner set. Our clarifying shampoo for color-treated hair is safe for all hair. Repair heat styling and chemical treatment damaged hair with women's shampoo and conditioner set sulfate-free. Plant-powered ingredients. Wow Vegan Shampoo and Conditioner hair products for women and men are mineral oil and silicone-free conditioner and shampoo. No sulfates, no parabens, just ingredients with a plant-powered solution. Wow Skin Science Promise. At Wow Skin Science we stand by our products and offer a full refund warranty if you experience any issues with your Wow Skin Science product. Contact us through the Amazon messaging system and we will be happy to assist you. Coconut oil. Contains lauric acid that provides replenishing moisture to tame frizz and breakage. Avocado. Rich in vitamins that can nourish the scalp and help hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. Aloe vera. Aloe vera makes hair smooth, shiny. It also contains proteolytic enzymes that keep the scalp healthy. Top reviews from the United States. Going to get nice send. Taking a shower with my head.